there. What's happening, folks? Joe DeSanto here. You're most likely used to seeing me doing financial content, which of course I do all the time. However, I decided that if ever I'm doing something that I think is beneficial, helpful, or effective, I'll just do a video about it. Why not? Because I get bored of doing financial content all the time. So, I am out here in my yard. It's family yard work day. Some of our yard there. And you could turn around, Luca, and show some of this lawn here. Now you can see our lawn not looking too good. We're going to be doing a little reseeding and some fertilizing today. But if you see that shell over there, this is an ongoing problem. Our lawn folks who come and cut and blow shell all over the lawn. So while we're trying to prepare it for the seeding, we're trying to break it, make it look good, and there's just shell everywhere. So I'm a neurotic person. This is the kind of thing that drives me absolutely bananas, and I've been slowly picking the shell up with my hands over time, which is completely ineffective. And today I decided, what if I vacuum the lawn? I could get the shell off the lawn with a shop vac. So here I got this DeWalt shop vac, which I'm not being paid to talk about that, but I have to tell you it's new, and it's a 50% quieter motor, and it's insanely quiet. Listen to this. I mean, if you ever had a regular shop vac, that's quiet. So check this out. This is the problem area. We've done almost all the lawn. So come in here for the close-up, guys. Look at this. If you have this problem, the shop vac is the solution. I have to say, I've been annoyed, angry, frustrated by shells all over my beds and grass and everything. Of course, I've talked to the lawn guys, and they're doing their best. They say to blow the leaves softly, but it's not working. So today we decided the shop vac route might be worth it, and it's working great. Now, granted, we're probably on 2 hours of shop vacuuming the lawn, so that's not great, but the shells are coming up. We just got a little bit more to do, and then we'll be done. So if anybody lives in Florida and has shell in your landscape and has shell all over your flower beds and your lawn, the shop vac will save you.